Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to take medicine order online and send confirmation to customers. Suppose I am having a medical store and to take the medicine orders online, I have created a Google Forms. And now I want that as soon as a person is going to submit that form along with all the details and the doctor prescriptions, I want to send a confirmation message to that same person on WhatsApp. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Google Forms in our trigger, and in action I am going to take Vati to send WhatsApp template messages. If you want, you can also take any other application over here in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically take medicine orders and send confirmation messages for the same orders automatically on WhatsApp. Here, in order to create this automation, we are going to set up a simple integration between Google Form and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. So this is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once you will reach on this home page, we can find two options here: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. As an existing user, I am directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save our workflows. As I have two folders here, in this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, we can save our workflows accordingly on the dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Take medicine orders and send confirmation message on WhatsApp. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder. And now we will simply click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. Now what are trigger and action? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Now let's suppose in this workflow we are going to take Google Forms through which we want to take the orders of medicine in our trigger, and Vati through which we want to send WhatsApp template messages in our action. And we want that as soon as the form will be submitted in Google Forms, automatically the message should be sent on WhatsApp. Here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means whenever the form is submitted for order request, then only the confirmation message is sent on WhatsApp. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application over here, that is Google Forms. So let me select Google Forms over here. And now the next thing which we have to do is we have to select that trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we will select new response received as our trigger event, as we want that whenever a person is going to submit the Google form for placing the order of medicine, the response of that form should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, the workflow should get triggered automatically. Okay, now as we have done that, a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So we need to follow these instructions step by step in order to connect the Google form with Pabbly Connect. And the webhook URL which is provided to us is going to act as a bridge for sending the data from Google Forms towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm going to tell you exactly what we are supposed to do. First of all, let me take you towards my Google Forms. Let's suppose this is the Google form which I have created for taking the medicine orders, and it is named as medicine order request. Okay, it has a description as after you fill out this request, we will verify the prescription uploaded by you, and if all the necessary details in the prescription will be correct, then we will confirm your order within 24 hours. After order confirmation, your order will be delivered at the address given by you within 2 working days. Okay, now here my objective is that whenever a person is going to submit this Google form for placing the order along with all the details, and upload a specific image of the prescription of doctor, then the response of this form should be captured automatically in Pabbly Connect. So when the person will enter all the details in this form along with the doctor's prescription, then the form will be submitted. Okay. Now, in order to capture the response of the form in Pabbly Connect, we will have to connect the same form with Pabbly Connect. And for doing that, what we are going to do, we will go towards response section, and then we have to click on this view in sheets option. Okay. Why? Because for connecting Google Forms with Pabbly Connect, first of all, we need to connect the same form with Google Sheets. And then we will connect the Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect so that the response could be recorded in Google Sheets as well as the same response could be captured in Pabbly Connect. Now, I have already linked this particular form with Google Sheets. So this is the spreadsheet which contains all the details which we have in the form: timestamp, name, phone number, email, shipping address, and the last field is for the link of the prescription. Okay, the image. Now, as soon as a person is going to fill the form and submit it, all the details of that form will be recorded here automatically in this sheet. And the same details will be then captured in Pabbly Connect. So for doing that, let us connect this particular spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect. So let us go towards extension section, and then we have to go towards add-ons. When we will click on get add-ons, it is going to take us towards Google Workspace Marketplace. Now here we have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So let's do that. Now, as you can find, I have already installed Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets. We will cross this, and once you will install the add-on, you need to refresh the spreadsheet so that you can find the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks under extensions. Now we will go towards initial setup. And in order to connect the spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, we will have to enter two details over here. First of all, the webhook URL, and the next is the trigger column. So let us go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we will copy the webhook URL. And we will paste it here in this field. Okay, done. The next is the trigger column. Now, what is trigger column? The concept of trigger column says that whenever the data will be entered in the spreadsheet up till this particular column, the response should be sent towards Pabbly Connect and the workflow should get triggered. Here in the background, I have 6 columns. Here, column F will be my trigger column because I want that as soon as the data will be entered in the spreadsheet up till column F, the response should be captured in Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to enter capital F as my trigger column. Okay, and now we are going to send the test data towards Pabbly Connect to check the integration. But before that, first of all, we need to record the data of Google Forms here in the spreadsheet, and that we are going to do by submitting the Google form. So we will go back towards Google Forms, and here I am going to submit this form by opening the link of the form in a new tab. So let's click on send option, and I will go towards link. Let me shorten the URL, and I am going to copy this link. Okay, let me open it in a new tab. So here I am going to enter the details in this particular form to submit it. Basically, here we are submitting a test form for placing a test order. Okay, so that the response could be captured in Pabbly Connect. Let me start with a name. Let's say the name of a person who is placing the order is dummy user. Okay, let's say the phone number is okay, and a random email along with a shipping address. Done. Now the very important step is upload a clear image of your doctor's prescription. So now we are going to upload the doctor's prescription over here by attaching the file. So here I am going to attach the prescription. Okay, I have attached the file. Let's click on submit. Now let's go back towards Google Sheet, and here we can find that in the background the response is recorded. Okay, here's the timestamp, name, phone number, email address, and the link of the uploaded image. Okay, so now we are going to send this test data towards Pabbly Connect. Let's click on send test button, and the test data is sent successfully. So let's submit it, and we will close the setup. Okay, now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we can find that here we have already received the response of the Google form. All the details are here: name, the image link of the prescription, trigger column, timestamp, spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, and other details. Okay, so this means that we have successfully built an integration between Google Forms and Pabbly Connect. And now whenever a new form will be submitted for placing the medicine order, automatically the response of that form will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Now we have to do one more thing. We will go back towards our Google Sheets, and we will go back towards extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and this time we need to click on send on events. Now, as soon as we have done that, we have made sure that now whenever a new response will be captured and recorded in this particular spreadsheet in the form of a new row up till trigger column, automatically the data will be keep on sending towards Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now, after this, we will move towards our next action step. And our objective here is to send confirmation message on WhatsApp to the person who have recently placed the medicine order. Now, for sending the WhatsApp message here, I'm going to use Vati. Vati has the official API access of WhatsApp. In case if you want to take any other application in place of Vati, such as Interact or AI Sensei, you can definitely use that also. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and now in my action step, I'm first of all going to connect Vati. So let us select Vati over here in the action application. The next step is the action event. So we will select our action event as send template message. Let's click on connect, and now from the given options, I am going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Vati account. As we have clicked on add new connection, here we have to enter two details, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find both the details, for that the instructions are provided to us here. First of all, we need to go towards our Vati dashboard, and then we have to click on API docs. Under API docs, we will find both the details. So let me take you towards my Vati account, and we will go towards API docs. And yes, here we can find both the details, access token and API endpoint. First of all, let us copy the API endpoint, and we will paste it here in Pabbly Connect. The next is access token, so we will copy the access token also, and we will paste it here in the field of access token. Done. In the same manner, you have to find both the details. Let's click on save. And with this, our Vati account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So we will move further. After building the connection, here we have to enter the details in these fields in order to send the message. First of all, it is asking us the WhatsApp number. Here in this field, we have to enter the WhatsApp number on which we want to send the message. Our objective is to send the message to our customers, basically the person who is placing the order. And already we have received all the details related to that person from our earlier response, that is from Google Form response. So we will simply map the data over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting the data from previous step. Here our previous step is given. Let's select that, and here are all the details. So we need to map the number. Number is given over here. Let's select it, and it is mapped. Now when we have mapped this number, it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, it is going to be replaced. That means now whenever a new person is going to place the order by Google Forms, and with that response, the WhatsApp number in this field is going to be replaced with a new number of that new person. Okay, so in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. Now the next thing it is asking us is the template name. So in order to understand this, I'm going to once again take you towards my Vati account, and we will go back towards template section. Under template section, we can find that there are multiple templates which I've already created for different purposes. In order to send WhatsApp messages for order confirmation of medicine, here I have created a template named as medicine orders. Let me open it and show you. So this is the template with the name as medicine orders. The category which I have selected is marketing, and I have used English language for sending the message. In the broadcast title, I have used the text as order confirmed, because my objective is to send the message for order confirmation of medicine. In the header, I have used order confirmed as text. In case if you want to attach a particular image along with this message in the header, in the place of text, you can also select image in your broadcast title type. Okay. The next is the body of the message. Hello name, the prescription which you have uploaded is verified and we have confirmed your order. Your order will be processed within 2 working days. Thank you for placing the order, Team Life Medical Store. So let's suppose the name of my medical store is Life Medical Store, and I want to send a confirmation message to my customers for placing the orders. Okay, so as soon as they will submit the Google form for placing the medical order, automatically the response will be captured, and with that response automatically a WhatsApp template message will be sent to that same customer through Vati. After completing the message, you also have to provide the dummy content. As you can find, I have used a variable in my message. Okay, I have used this variable to customize this template message so that I could send the same template to different people in customized format. Here, because I have used variable in the place of name, the name is going to be replaced with each and every response. And in this way, we can send the same template message to multiple people. So in the same manner, you can use multiple variables for your template message in order to customize it according to your choice. Whatever you are going to use in your variable, you also have to provide sample content for that. That means a sample value which is going to come in place of that variable. Here, because I have used only one variable, that is for name, I have provided a sample name over here as dummy. Okay. You can also provide dummy details over here. Now, after completing your template, you also have to send it for approval. And once it will get approved, you can definitely use it in order to send messages to multiple people. As my template is approved, I am going to use the same template in Pabbly Connect for sending WhatsApp messages. And we can find that here the template name is selected correct. Okay. The next is the broadcast name. In this field, we have to enter the broadcast title which we have used in our template. So my broadcast title is order confirmed. The same I am going to enter over here. We need to enter exact broadcast title. order confirmed. Okay. The next and the very important step over here is custom parameters. Now in this field, we have to enter the name and the value of the variable which we have used in the template, and that too in the given exact format. So without taking any risk, we will simply copy the format and we will paste it here in this field. So any chance of error in this particular step can make the workflow stuck. Therefore, we are using this trick. We will simply copy the format and make the changes in this particular format only. In the place of name, we have to enter the name of the variable, and in place of value, we have to provide the value which we want to use in the place of variable. So I have used only one variable, that is for name. So the name of my variable will be name. So in the place of color, here I am going to enter name. The next is value. So my objective is to use the name of the person who is placing the order in place of name. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to map the name from my previous response. Okay. As I have mapped the name, it is going to be replaced with each and every response, but whatever data we have entered manually, that is the name of the variable, is going to be same each time. So in case if you are using more than one variable in your template, you have to use a comma over here, a space, and then again you have to copy and paste the format. Okay. In this way, you can reduce the chances of error in your workflow. Okay, now let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received the response. In the response, we have also received the contact ID, and this means that the message is sent on the number which we have mapped over here. Let's go and check on WhatsApp. And yes, we can find that we have already received the message on WhatsApp. Hello dummy user, the prescription which you have uploaded is verified and we have confirmed your order. Thank you for placing the order, Team Life Medical Store. Okay, so this means that our workflow is perfectly successful. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in this workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Google Forms, and in action, we have taken Vati. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new order will be placed for medicines through Google Forms, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent for order confirmation to the person who have placed the order through Vati. And in this way, very easily, by setting up a simple integration between Google Forms and Vati, you can create this amazing automation which will help you to automatically take medicine orders and send confirmation messages to each of the person who have placed the order. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.